fixing back up.
Yep, got some web repair right here. Making a web repair video.
Little Mercedes squash Russell Spirit.
George Russell is Mercedes bound next year, but the Silver Arrows will need to be careful with managing him. You can now watch full 24-minute episodes of The Inside Line at our official home on unbeaten.com. George Russell is locked and loaded for Mercedes next season, with the 23-year-old like a silver bullet, one just waiting to be fired from the front row for devastating results. With everyone in the Formula One paddock, including his current team Williams, only too aware of his winning potential.
He's at the time of his career where he's ready to do so, and he absolutely deserves to be in a car that is capable of winning the championship.
But while Russell is no doubt Sir Lewis Hamilton's natural successor, the squad is keen to see that the huge increase in pressure doesn't burn him out before his time to shine at the front. We need to get him properly adjusted into the Mercedes situation. There's a lot more pressure. He's having an unbelievable teammate with the biggest records, and it's important you condition him and calibrate him in the right way, said Toto Wolff. That means preventing another painful intra-team war, which last ripped apart the squad in 2016 in Hamilton versus Nico Rosberg.
Yeah, they're dreaming.
Thanks to those difficult moments that I'm sitting here as a world champion, because and I'm proud to say that I really fought through them and managed to come out of those dark moments with even greater motivation.
They're
While
dreaming.
managing Russell's ambition, will the squad squash his spirit?
He needs to. He's gonna feel the pressure of being with it. Hamilton with all those records. He doesn't care about those records. He just cares about what happens next. And if they think he's gonna take a back seat to Hamilton, that's so funny. Yeah, he's gonna drive around. He's gonna freaking kill Hamilton. I love it. I can't wait
I'm
to
trying
see
to
it.
discuss with him what that means for the team dynamic, what it could mean, how we need to keep the momentum in the team. And he's very intelligent. He gets that, Wolf said.
Yeah, he gets that. He's not gonna back down there,
It's going to be
Hamilton.